In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT if it keeps crashing on Windows 11. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes cause apps to crash, and a simple reboot may fix the issue. Next, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. If you're using ChatGPT in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome or Edge, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached files and cookies. If you're using the ChatGPT desktop app, try reinstalling it. Open Settings, go to Apps, find ChatGPT, uninstall it, and then install the latest version. You should also close unnecessary programs running in the background to free up memory and system resources. Once you've completed these steps, launch ChatGPT again and check if the crashing issue has been resolved. And that's how to fix ChatGPT crashing on Windows 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.